Let's see what we have here. A Barbie cake? But I don't like Barbies anymore. I like K-pop. And I want a cake with them.
Of course, honey. Give me a few minutes. Assembling the cake. Some cream, another layer. Some more cream, and another layer. Well, that's perfect, but now I need to cut out the excess parts. My sharp sword always works. Whoa! It's so cool! And it's so sharp! It can cut anything! Oh! You cut my suit! No one can find out that I'm a demon! I'll hide it! You cannot play with my sword anymore! Next, we're adding more cream on top and spreading it all over the cake. I'm using blue cream. Huh, it resembles a cat. Now we need eyes, a mouth, nose, and all the other details. How do you like it?
Well, I need vanilla syrup. I want to pour it over the cake. Great. Now, some sprinkles. They're so colorful and beautiful. Moving on to decor. How do you like those edible stars? Wow. K-pop demon hunters. Incredible.
I know what to do. I'll decorate the cake with cake cats. Next, putting on a glove. Taking some icing and drawing my favorite hunter. It's going to be a portrait. Wait, guys! It's turning out so cool! I'm very proud of myself! Nice, huh?
Wow! Look at those cakes! I want to start with this one. Ooh, it's edible! Now the cake itself. Wow! It's purple inside! I love this color! And this cake is really delicious! Awesome! Moving on to the next cake. It's a giant cat! Cutting a piece. Wow! It's blue! The mouth is delicious. And the cake itself, too! Guys, I'm loving this challenge! And moving on to the last cake. It's very beautiful! Let's give it a try! So yummy! I love it! 10 out of 10! But who's the winner? I know! Chef!
Oh yeah! I knew my cake was the best! They don't know who they're competing against!
Ooh! Look what I found! I want ice cream! Come on! That's a great idea! I've got a bunch of strawberries. Cutting it up and putting it into ice cream molds. Next, we need some Korean soda. Opening it and pouring it into the molds. Adding it to our strawberries. Next, I need to freeze it. I've got a special spray for it. Wait a little. Perfect. We have delicious strawberry ice cream. It's been served.
What should I do? Oh, chewing gum! I love Hubba Bubba! I will use everything. Next, I need a burner. Whoa! It's so powerful! Oops. Sorry, Chef. I didn't see you. I need to melt my bubble gum. It worked! Pouring this liquid gum into molds. Next, adding some colorful sprinkles. Oh, I know what to do next! Phoebe, I need your freezing spray. Well, first I'll help the chef. Now, moving on to my ice cream. It's done! Well, I think it's perfect. Chef, you better start. Well. Adding some eggs, flour, milk, and sugar. We need to mix everything up. I'm using a special blender for it. And now, we've got the perfect base for cream. I need some freezing spray next. And voila! We've got delicious ice cream. Taking a scoop. A few, actually. The more, the better. Now, time for some syrup. Chocolate flavored, of course. Adding some decor. Well, everything worked out perfectly. You better try it.
Wow! Are you serious? It's so cool. I'll start with strawberry ice cream. Wow, how delicious! I really like it. There are even fresh strawberries inside. Ooh, what about this one? It's so bright and beautiful. Whoa, chewing gum ice cream? That's so cool. I've never had anything like this before. Oh yes, chocolate ice cream is next. It's so yummy. But the winner is… Phoebe and Quentin!
What? How come? I'm the best chef!
Now, I want some pasta. I'm still hungry.
You already know what to do? Well, everything will be much easier for me. I'll just use some instant noodles. Great! Oh, who feeds people like that? My pasta is ready.
It's too easy. I'll add some pink color. It will be so much more appetizing. And of course, more beautiful. Putting it on a plate, sprinkling some cheese on top, and decorating everything with parsley leaves.
And I will use premium tomato sauce. It will go perfectly with my pasta. Next, adding some meatballs and some herbs. Ready! Whip, try it!
Oh! Wait, Chinese noodles? Let's give it a try. Nothing special. And what do we have here? Spaghetti with meatballs. It looks so delicious. Yummy! But wait a little. We've got pink noodles with cheese. How wonderful! Chef and Phoebe have won! Yoo-hoo! My first victory! Well, Not my first! Who am I kidding? Guys, make sure to like this video, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And now, check out the bloopers!